Hey everybody, this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Windows 11 USB installation media using Rufus. And today we're going to be using Rufus 4.0 and we're going to be setting up Windows 11 22H2 V2. So the first thing you go and do is either select our ISO image or download it. You can download if you wish, so I already have a copy of the ISO downloaded. And I'll put a card up in the upper right corner of the screen in case you want to see how the process works of downloading ISOs through Rufus. So let's go ahead and select our image. Okay, so I'm going to select our image here. Alrighty, so we already have our USB installation media inserted. Make sure you have the right one selected. Now I already have a USB installer set up on GPT. However, I'm going to set up a second one using MBR. So I'll change this over to MBR. And we're ready to go ahead and click start. And now you're going to get this prompt to remove the requirement for 4 gigs of memory, secure boot and TPM 2.0, and remove the requirement for online Microsoft account. So the first option allows you to install Windows 11 on computers that do not meet the Microsoft EliteClass Middle System requirements for Windows 11, also known as the Windows 11 system requirements. You also have the option to go ahead and create a local account on your install with a certain username. I'm going to leave that one unchecked. But you can set regional options for the same values as this user's. You can disable data collection, so you skip the questions. And with Rufus 4.0.2035, you also have the option to disable BitLocker automatic device encryption. Alright, so I'm going to select OK. And it's going to warn you that the data that's currently on the flash drive will be deleted. Select OK. And this may take a moment to complete. Okay, so the flash drive is ready for use. All you need to do is just remove it from the system and you're ready to use it to install Windows 11. Now, there's a topic out there whether you should install Windows 11 on computers that don't meet requirements. That'll be a topic for a different video, but so anyways, that's how you can use Rufus 4.0 to set up Windows 11 22H2 V2. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Kuku channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified when a new video post. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.